So my ideal situation with the Nature's generator is my wife has an EV, my daughters have EVs, and I'm always struggling to charge with the wall charger. What I would really like is to have it my own separate charger that I could use and then not interrupt them in their charging schedules. And if I could charge solar, that's even better. And it's super easy, super easy. All you have to do is connect it with the NEMA 1450. Let it charge. This is awesome because it'll harness free energy from the sun. I'm not connected to the grid. I'm not in the way between my wife and my daughters trying to charge. We already have a lot of EVs. We love our EVs, but charging, let's be serious, it is a situation, it is a problem. This is gonna be perfect for me because I could just park my truck on the side, hook this up to the solar, harness energy from the sun, and I get to charge for free. So not only can I use this to charge my truck, if the power ever goes out, I can actually use the battery from a full powered Cybertruck, 120 kilowatt battery source to sustain this one and power up my whole house and keep my refrigerator going, keep you know my ice maker going, keep all my essentials going. You know what I mean? So it's actually a really good talking point.